Vice President Constantine Chiwenga is under increasing pressure. His President Emmerson Mnangagwa moves to consolidate his grip on power by pegging key allies of the former military commander from ZANU-PF. Zanabina mashoko kubuda panazvinzi aiwa general is now under siege. Pana panguva ino yatinoona kuti aiwa political tempo yacho yazonyanyisa zvamuwandira. Pationa kuti maallies ake panguva ino aiwa vari kungoramba vachingoroiswa pasi. Zanabina mashoko kubuda nyora panapa. Do subscribe or like what on the page. Last week, the ruling party expelled 8 members, including outspoken war veteran Blessed Keza, who has publicly challenged Mnangagwa to step down. Among the high-profile casualties of the peg, Harare Provincial Political Commissar Kutakwashe Demson, ZANU-PF Kutu East Benjamin Ganyo, and former Harare South MP Godfrey Gomwe. The relations between the two men have since soared, with Chiwenga's ambitions to succeed Mnangagwa clashing with the presidency's determination to extend his rule beyond 2028. Geza, a known Chiwenga ally, has emerged as one of the most vocal critics of Mnangagwa's leadership, openly calling for his resignation. His expulsion from ZANU-PF underscores Mnangagwa's strategy of silencing dissent within party ranks, particularly among those aligned with the former military faction that brought him to power. The tensions between the two escalated further during the 2023 elections, when factions aligned to Chiwenga reportedly opposed Mnangagwa's re-election bid behind the scenes. Despite presenting a united front, publicly insiders say the two camps have been locked in a cold war over the future leadership of Zimbabwe, of ZANU-PF. Mashkwamda yuko panapo anachita aiwa wakumana ava, these two leaders wanga wakare looked up in a cold war. Zvata kuona panapa, it is now exploding. Tunze mafunguro ili mutukudipa msuru pechitu kwechi penda kumisikishe medu tunze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.